Good morning to one and all present over here. This is Riya of grade 10 and today I am going to present a speech on Independence Day. So let's start. The day of 15 August 1947 has been engraved in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British rule. It was a hard and long struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. 78 years ago on 15 August 1947, India gained its independence. The Indian Independence Act led to founding of India as an independent nation. The law declared that the British rule in India ended on 15 August 1947. On that day, India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru addressed the nation and unfurled the Indian's tricolor flag from Red Fort. This year, Indian Independence Day is celebrating with the theme of Viksit Bharat, which means as developed India. This theme reflects the Indian government's vision to transform the country into a developed nation by 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of India's Independence Day. And it reminds us of all sacrifices made by our freedom fighters to liberate India from British rule. India over time turned into a biggest vote-based system and the largest democracy in the world, taking the legacy ahead that has been handed after a long and tedious freedom struggle. Today, India's standing in the international arena has increased and reflects in its participation in several critical multilateral forums and consolidating bilateral relations with several countries. The present economic growth of India, the fastest growing major economy in 220 to 225, has increased its standing on the world stage and it's now the most advanced country and performing strongly. Its economy is also the second largest in the world. Regarding purchasing power parity, giving it more significant global plot and power by expanding and modernizing its military capabilities. Celebrating the India Independence Day should not deter the spirit from imagining a powerful, prosperous and peaceful India in 2047 when India celebrates 100 years of independence. So wishing all of us a very happy Independence Day with vision and dream to achieve a